Welcome to Bedtime Adventures. Hey there, sleepy explorers. Are you ready for a brand new adventure that's out of this world? Well, you're in the right place. About our dreamy channel. I'm your storyteller, and this is Bedtime Adventures, where every night we dive into magical stories, meet fantastic characters, and go on incredible journeys together. Join our dream team. But wait, there's more. You can be part of our dream team too. Hit that subscribe button and ring the adventure bell so you never miss a story. Tonight's adventure begins now. Without further ado, let's dive right into today's enchanting tale. Are you ready? Close your eyes, snuggle up, and get ready for a story that will take you to places you've never imagined.
Episode 6, Finn's Underwater Adventure. In the picturesque village of Everwood, where extraordinary adventures were just a dream away, lived a young boy named Finn. Finn's curiosity knew no bounds, and his thirst for exploration was insatiable. One sunny morning, as he stood by the shimmering lake that bordered the village, he felt an inexplicable pull toward the water. The lake, known as Crystal Waters, was no ordinary body of water. Its depths held secrets beyond imagination, and its clear, sparkling surface beckoned to those with an adventurous spirit. Today, it seemed to call out to Finn with the promise of uncharted wonders. Without hesitation, Finn shed his shoes and socks and waded into the crystal-clear waters. The moment his toes touched the surface, something extraordinary happened. The water around him shimmered and transformed into a portal, engulfing him in a whirl of aquatic magic. In the blink of an eye, Finn found himself submerged in a world that defied his wildest dreams. He was in an underwater realm, surrounded by coral reefs that glowed with vibrant colors and teeming with marine life of all shapes and sizes. Finn's heart swelled with wonder as he watched schools of colorful fish darting through the water, their scales glistening like precious gemstones. Majestic sea turtles glided gracefully by, and playful dolphins danced in the distance. As Finn marveled at this underwater paradise, he felt a gentle tap on his shoulder. Turning around, he was met with the curious gaze of a friendly octopus named Ollie. Ollie had an inquisitive nature and a mischievous twinkle in his eyes. With a wave of his tentacle, Ollie introduced himself and welcomed Finn to the underwater world. He explained that crystal waters held the portal to this magical realm, and Finn's arrival was no accident. He was meant to explore this enchanting world and forge friendships with its underwater inhabitants. Filled with excitement and a sense of adventure, Finn embarked on the most extraordinary underwater journey of his life. Knowing that he was about to discover the mysteries of the deep and make friends who would change his life forever, Finn's underwater adventure continued as he explored the colorful coral reefs and made friends with the enchanting creatures of the deep. Ollie, the friendly octopus, became his guide and introduced him to the vibrant community that thrived beneath the waves. Finn's first encounter was with Coral, a wise old sea turtle who had seen generations of sea life come and go. Coral shared stories of the ocean's history and the importance of protecting its fragile ecosystem. Finn was deeply moved by Coral's wisdom and pledged to be a guardian of the sea. As Finn swam deeper into the reef, he encountered a group of clownfish who were experts in the art of humor. They entertained him with their witty jokes and playful antics, teaching him that laughter was a universal language that bridged all species. Among the colorful anemones, Finn met Marina, a graceful seahorse who glided through the water with elegance. She taught Finn the beauty of patience and how to appreciate life's slower, more delicate moments. But it was Finn's encounter with a pod of dolphins that left the most lasting impression. These joyful creatures led him on an exhilarating underwater dance, leaping and twirling with boundless energy. Finn felt an overwhelming sense of freedom and unity as he joined their playful ballet. Each day brought new discoveries and adventures for Finn in the underwater world. He explored hidden caves adorned with iridescent crystals, swam alongside graceful manta rays, and marveled at the bioluminescent wonders that illuminated the darkest depths of the ocean. As he built friendships with the creatures of the sea, Finn realized that the ocean was not just a world of beauty, but also a world of responsibility. He learned about the importance of conservation and vowed to do his part to protect the underwater realm he had come to love. Finn's underwater adventure was a journey of wonder, learning, and friendship. With each passing day, he became more connected to the ocean and the magnificent creatures that called it home. Little did he know that his journey was far from over, and the most extraordinary surprises were yet to come. Finn's underwater adventure continued to unfold, and with each passing day, he grew more enchanted by the mysteries of the deep. The underwater world had become his second home, and the friendships he forged with its inhabitants were priceless. One sunny morning, as Finn swam near the edge of the coral reef, he noticed a dazzling light coming from a hidden crevice. Curiosity piqued. He approached the opening and discovered a secret chamber bathed in a soft, ethereal glow. At its center was an exquisite pearl, the likes of which he had never seen. The pearl was more than just a precious gem. It was a symbol of the ocean's heart and its connection to the surface world. Finn felt an overwhelming urge to protect it, knowing that its radiance held the power to bring harmony to the entire underwater realm. As Finn reached out to touch the pearl, a gentle voice echoed through the chamber. It was Luna, his friend from the surface, who had magically joined him on this underwater adventure. Luna explained that the pearl was a beacon of hope and dreams, and it needed their protection. Together, Finn and Luna embarked on a quest to safeguard the pearl from any harm. They encountered challenges along the way, from navigating treacherous currents to outsmarting a cunning octopus who sought to claim the pearl for himself. But with their determination and teamwork, they overcame each obstacle. Their journey led them to an ancient underwater city, where they met wise sea turtles, friendly seahorses, and even a mysterious mermaid who shared tales of the ocean's past. Finn and Luna learned that the pearl was a symbol of unity and the bond between the surface and underwater worlds. With the support of their newfound friends and the wisdom they had gained, Finn and Luna successfully returned the pearl to its rightful place in the secret chamber. As they watched it emit a radiant glow, they knew that their adventure had not only protected the ocean's heart, but had also strengthened the connection between their two worlds. Finn's underwater adventure had taught him the importance of protecting the ocean and cherishing the bonds that transcended boundaries. With a sense of gratitude and a heart filled with newfound wisdom, he knew that he would forever be a friend of the sea. Finn and Luna's underwater adventure had reached its thrilling climax, and the lessons they had learned beneath the waves would stay with them forever. As they returned the precious pearl to its secret chamber, the entire underwater world seemed to shimmer with gratitude. The creatures of the deep gathered to celebrate their victory, And Finn and Luna were honored as heroes of the ocean. Coral, the wise old sea turtle, praised their courage and determination, reminding them that even the smallest actions could make a significant impact. The clownfish, masters of humor, threw a grand underwater party, filling the coral reef with laughter and joy. Marina, the graceful seahorse, swayed to the music of the sea, reminding Finn and Luna of the beauty in patience and tranquility. The dolphins, with their boundless energy, joined the celebration with a spectacular display of acrobatics, their leaps and flips creating rainbows in the water. Finn and Luna couldn't help but join in, their hearts dancing in harmony with the ocean's rhythm. As the festivities continued, Finn and Luna knew that their time in the underwater world had come to an end. With fond farewells and promises to return, they swam back to the portal that would take them home. Emerging from crystal waters, Finn and Luna felt a profound sense of gratitude for the adventure they had as.
Tonight's adventure ends here. But the fun never stops. The stars have twinkled, the dreams have been woven, and tonight's bedtime story has come to a close. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. Meet our bedtime pals. Say hello to Luna, Finn, Oliver and Stella, your dreamy friends who are always up for more magical tales. More adventures await. Before you drift into dreamland, hit that subscribe button and ring the bedtime bell. We've got countless enchanting stories waiting just for you. Cozy up for the night. Join our dreamy family and let's make bedtime the best time. Your dreams are our inspiration, and together we'll create a world filled with cozy blankets, sweet dreams, and endless adventures. Until tomorrow, sleepy stars.